Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe Blow Gaming here, back with another video. In today's video, guys, I wanted to teach you guys on how to actually make a Minecraft cracked server, okay? So I'm not going to teach you guys on how to create the actual server because I have so many videos done on that. But if you do want to know how to create a server, I'll leave links in the description, okay? Now, I have videos on how to make a modded server and a vanilla server. In this example, I'm going to show you with a vanilla server, okay? Because I've had this question a lot where people ask me, how do I make a cracked server? Some of my friends have cracked clients. I want them to be able to join my server. So what you can do is once your server is created, open up your server in your folder, and then what you're gonna do is go to your server property file. Okay, you're gonna open that up, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for online mode. So you're gonna scroll all the way down, and then it should be the fourth one from the last. Okay, so online mode right here, it's gonna be set to true. What you're gonna do is change that to false, okay? And then once you can click file, save, and then there you go. So that's how you let cracked clients join your Minecraft server. All you have to do is change this from online mode to true to false. And that's it, guys. So if you guys do enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it, guys. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Adios.